Hello guys. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to clean the iPhone 4S charging port and microphone and what you call that? This right here, the headphones plug-in, whatever you call that. Okay, first what you want to do is what you want to have in hand is a toothbrush. A toothbrush, any type of toothbrush you could use. It's better to use the tip though. Like use this part. Use a tip. What I've heard to do is try to clean it like this, like with this piece. Try to clean it, but that doesn't find me useful. Like it doesn't seem useful enough. It's like it sticks. It seems like it sticks it more in. So you guys want to have a toothbrush, and these you can see that they're a little bit dirty. See that they're a little bit dirty. Hold up. Yeah, I think you see it now. Okay, they're a little bit dirty. So what you want to do is rub it forward like this. And in a bit, like this. Okay, I think they're a little bit cleaner. Look. See them? This one's a little bit dirty. You see it's dirty from right here. Look. From right there. There's a little piece right here. Yeah, right there. Look, right there. See it's dirty. Okay. See that little piece right there? Look. Right there, hold up. See it? You see it came out? Right there. You saw it? Look. See this, please? That one. You saw that? Okay. What you want to do is the same thing. Just do this. Okay? Do that. You see this? Now that is clean. That's what you want to do. Keep on doing it till you see it like it's clean. For sure, this is gonna clean it. So if you wanna clean your headphones, whoa, that's clean. It's really recommended for you guys. So you guys do it. Then I guess if you wanna clean this too. Guess this hopefully, cause I've had this phone for a while. Actually I bought it, and then if you can also clean this too. The mute thing, the mute buttons or something like that. I'm gonna have it here. Clean it. It seems to get cleaner. Like, you should try this if you have like an iPhone or something that's dirty. And then this. Squeeze it in there. Yeah, there you go. Just trash. So yeah, this tool really come in handy. It actually works for headphones and all that. It actually got it cleaner. You see it? Well, I gotta do it more. So yeah, it helped the headphones. Let's see this. Yeah, I can't see, it's too dark in there. Okay. Thank you guys for watching, and hopefully you subscribe. Leave any comments below. You liked it or anything. Thank you. And subscribe, please. Thank you very much.